welcome back. So today we are going to learn about our fourth project. That would be dice simulator. Okay, so we'll actually make the dice simulator. All right, so let me just go quickly and create a Python file, new Python file. What is a dice simulator, by the way? You roll the dice when you play Ludo or Snake and Ladders, if you remember. That's the dice simulator. So it's our project 4. All right. So how do you think should we start with? Again, no doubt, since it is whenever you roll the dice, you get a random number from 1 to 6, right? So exactly over here as well, import random, no doubt. Right. Now let's say we will ask for definitely we'll ask whether you want to roll the dice or not. You can just write down Y or N and then it can be done simply. Okay, so let's take IN roll or not. Okay, roll or not. Input. Do you want to roll the dice? I'll give Y or N. Question. Now I'll also give a space here to make it look clean. So now let's use while loop again. While roll or not is equal to Y, then number is equal to random dot random. We'll write this down and then we will just from 1 to 6, right? Because these are two things which we do. Definitely we don't need these many brackets, so I'm just taking off one. Now my goodness. Okay, so now if the number is equal to 1, then you can simply print 1, or you can do something a little crazy, that is print let's take this. Let's take this 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, all right, let's print okay. And if it is a 1, that means there should be a dot here, right? So you can simply just give a dot here. If the number is 1, this should be printed. Now if the number is 2, if the number is equal to 2, that's what it gets. Then how does it look like? It definitely doesn't look like this. Now you need to take off from here and 1 off from here, and there you go for 2. Then I already have this, so definitely this will not be if. Now it will be elif, again another elif. Now the number, if it is 3, then how does 3 look like? 3 looks like somewhat this, right? 0 taken off and 0 over here. Then again an LF will give me 4. So LF. Now definitely I need to take off F from here, from here, from here. Well, this looks like 5, so I'll just copy this so that I don't have to make it for 5. So now I can just delete this quickly, and LF for 6. Sorry, this is 5. And for 6, what do we need to do? Pasting it again. A 0 over here and a 0 over here. So this is how 6 looks like, right? Now this will be changing to 6. All right, so we have made this simulator over here. This will actually look like as if you rolled a dice and you are now again rolling it. Okay, so now the next thing, run. You want to roll the dice? Yes, I'll write down now. It's going on and on and on, right? That means we need to stop this somewhere. Like it's just going on and on. So first let me stop it. It is because it has gone into an infinite loop since I wrote yes over here. Okay. So now how to stop this thing? Okay. How do you stop this thing? So simply you need to again take in the input. Again, you need to stop for asking the same, that is roll or not. Okay. So I'll just do this. So you're asking the question again, right? And this should not be in here. It should be here. All right. So if it is yes, definitely. Let me just rent, giving it a little bit of space so that it looks good. So I'm running it now again. Do you want to run it? Yes. 6. Do you want to run it again? Yes. 1. Again? Yes. No. Stops. Do you want to run it again? No. No, you can just do something. You can simply just go out. Print. So basically now, no. Bye-bye. Have a good day. Simple, right? But if this would have been yes, now it won't print till I write a no. You see it? Okay, cool. So this was about this our 4th project, our dice simulator. So let's meet in the next project and let's work with the currency converter. All right. Have a great day. Bye.